Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How are you all? Are you all fine?
We are fine. Yes.
Yes. Are
Fine.
you all
Yes,
able to
Yes,
hear
yes,
me?
ma'am.
ma'am.
Are you all able to hear me properly?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Yes.
Good morning. Good
Yes,
morning.
yes, ma'am.
Very
Good
good.
morning, good morning, good morning.
Hear you properly.
Good
Yes.
morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning. Please be on mute now. Please be on mute now.
Ma'am?
Yes. So you all were asking what is the topic for today. I have given the topic, right?
सिंगिंग है ना?
नहीं रे बच्चा, मैंने टॉपिक दिया था, आप लोगों ने प्रिपेयर नहीं किया है क्या टॉपिक?
Ma'am, it was
मैंने कर लिया।
ma'am, it was to give
Ma'am?
us.
Ma'am?
Just a second, on mute, on mute.
Ma'am, I'm prepared. Ma'am, today's topic is a speech.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, today's the vocal session.
Yes,
Today's the
who all
vocal
have
session.
prepared? Who all have
Me.
prepared? Kindly raise your hand.
Ma'am, my
Ma'am,
I
have
have
ready.
given you all the topic on WhatsApp.
Yes, ma'am.
जो भी
Yes, you have.
5 to 9 years है, उनका टॉपिक है How Corona COVID-19 has changed your life. Okay, this is the topic from 5 to 9. Then about 10 and above, the topic is the new technical world during this 1 year of pandemic. Right? Right? I have given you all these topics, so have you all prepared?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good if you all
Yes,
have
yes,
prepared.
yes, yes.
Yes. Everyone, have you written your names in the chat box?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good. You all are my good kids. Okay, just a second. Give me a minute because I have to write that how many people are going to
Ma'am, your voice is coming really less.
now.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it
Ma'am?
is right.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, happy
Kindly
Akshaya
बार बार
Tritiya.
आप लोग हाँ
Happy Akshaya Tritiya.
Happy Akshaya Tritiya. Okay. So now I have to see. मुझे यहाँ पे जो बच्चों के रेज हैंड दिख रहे हैं, I will start from them. Okay. भव्या बरला.
क्या करना है?
आपने रेज हैंड क्यों किया फिर बच्चा?
Hello, ma'am. My name is Bhavya Barla, and today I'm going to tell you a speech on how this new world become because of this pandemic and this technical world. So, ma'am, basically,
Bhavya,
in
wait. What is your age?
ma'am, it's 12.
Okay. Yes. Say. Please kindly मुझे अपना नाम और एज दोनों बताना because I am noting it down. Okay, kids?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, so in this COVID-19, many things have been changed, like schools, physical schools turn to online school. This is a really big change in this world. Online schooling with laptops and we use Gmeet, Zoom, and all. Then these online deliveries were not really like people use, but now these are really compulsory for people. Like they usually use them now, and like this online thing is really helping people, and now this world is becoming more technical. Thank you.
So, okay, one thing very important. Whenever you are saying your speech, I want your cameras to be on, right? Whenever you are saying your speech, I want your cameras to be on. Yes. Okay, very good. Very good,
मैम
Bhavya.
कोई सा भी गाना गा सकते हैं?
हाँ, कौन पूछा? क्या पूछा आपने?
कोई सी भी स्पीच गा सकते हैं?
नहीं, मैंने टॉपिक्स दिया है। आप लोग ऐसे क्यों ब्लैंक हो? मैंने टॉपिक्स दिए हैं। ओके,
Ma'am, I'm sorry. Ma'am, Ruchita ma'am.
मृणाल गोस्वामी, मृणाल गोस्वामी.
Ruchita ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
this is Adi here.
वेट आदि, वेट आदि, वेट, वेट. मृणाल गोस्वामी.
Yes, ma'am.
या, व्हाट इज योर नेम बच्चा?
Ma'am, my name is Vedant.
What is your age?
Ma'am, 11.
Okay. Can you start the topic?
Yes, ma'am. Hello, everybody. I am Vedant, and I am gonna tell you a topic on the technical world after the pandemic. As you know, because of the pandemic, every company are challenging each other to make their company high and top selling by just because of online apps. Just because of lockdown, that all things are sold online. These online apps like Amazon and Flipkart are having lot of profit. Kids have their online classes and their exams because of internet problem. They can't understand and they get confused, and people are also paying online things.
Yeah, that's it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. बच्चा लोग एक मिनट, हाँ, आप लोगों को मेरे ख्याल से आप लोगों ने मेरा वीकली जो मटेरियल का लिस्ट मैंने भेजा है, आप लोगों ने बहुत सारे लोगों ने ध्यान से पढ़ा नहीं। मेरी एक्टिविटी की टॉपिक भी उसी में है, किस दिन हम क्या डिटेल में करने वाले हैं, इसके लिए तो मैं वीकली मटेरियल भेज रही हूँ। टेंटेटिव मंथली मटेरियल था वो, बट कौन से दिन क्या क्या टॉपिक होगा वो तो वीकली मटेरियल में ही भेजा हुआ है। ओके,
मैं सोचती हूँ।
हाँ ठीक है। स्वाति क्या हुआ? स्वाति, एनी डाउट?
यस,
व्हाट डाउट यू हैव?
हमको लॉकडाउन बद्दल बोलना है क्या?
हाँ, आपको ये बोलना है कि ये लॉकडाउन की वजह से आपकी लाइफ में क्या चेंज हुआ। ओके, यस, काइंडली बी ऑन म्यूट। यस, आदि, आदि,
Yes, ma'am.
you were saying something, can you please say?
Yes, ma'am. About the speech. Hello, everyone. I am Adi.
Wait,
Surya.
wait, wait,
I am-
wait, wait, आदि, आदि, I am calling out the names. आपके पास मोबाइल में या लैपटॉप में या कंप्यूटर में रेज हैंड आइकन है, वो रेज हैंड आइकन करके रखना है, मैं आपके नाम बुलाऊंगी। ओके,
Yes, ma'am.
यस, ओके। और आप सब लोग बच्चे लोग ध्यान से सुनो। आदि प्लीज बी ऑन म्यूट। ये सब लोग बच्चे लोग बहुत ध्यान से सुनो। आप लोग जब भी टॉपिक स्टार्ट करते हो बोलना, आपको सबसे पहले अपना नाम और अपनी एज बोलनी है, ताकि मैं यहाँ पे नोट डाउन कर सकूं कि आपके क्या एज है। और आप मैम टुडे माय टॉपिक इज, मैम टुडे माय, मैम को नहीं आप सुना रहे हो, यहाँ पे मैम के साथ में और 30-40 पीपल भी है, 30-40 किड्स भी है। हो सकता है उनके मम्मी पापा भी सुन रहे हैं ये बात। Okay, so you have to start. Suppose if my topic is the new technical world after an year of pandemic, right? So I will be starting my introduction as, hello everyone, I am Ruchita Mohta, my age is so, and your topic. Today I am going to speak on this. And after ending your topic, after giving an end to your topic, you have to always say thank you. और आप लोगों को कोई कंपल्शन नहीं है कि आप लोग हिंदी में बोलो या इंग्लिश में बोलो. जो लैंग्वेज हिंदी या इंग्लिश ये दो लैंग्वेजेस जो भी कंफर्टेबल हो उसमें बोलो. ओके बच्चा लोग.
मैम हिंदी में भी बोल सकते हैं.
हाँ, या तो आप हिंदी में भी बोल सकते हो या तो इंग्लिश में भी बोल सकते हो. ओके, मुझे कोई कंपल्शन नहीं है. मुझे बस ये चाहिए कि आप लोग बोलो. आप लोग अपनी कंफर्टेबल लैंग्वेज में बोलो. इट इज नॉट अ कंपल्शन एट ऑल के बाबा आज मैडम इंग्लिश में बात कर रही है मुझे भी इंग्लिश में बात करना है. नो, आई अंडरस्टैंड यू आर स्मॉल किड्स. आप लोगों को स्टिल इंग्लिश समझने में प्रॉब्लम है, किसी को हिंदी समझने में प्रॉब्लम है. सो यू कैन continue your speech in your comfortable language, but only two languages, either English or Hindi. कोई मराठी में बोलेगा तो that I will not allow because here there are many people who can't understand Marathi. Okay, wait. Kindly wait, Adya Shukla.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh,
Good morning, everyone. My name is Atya Shukla. I am 10 years old, and today I'm here to talk about the new technical world after an year of pandemic. I think the pandemic was a good opportunity to connect with technology. When our teachers introduced the online classes, we learned about the different apps and websites which helps us to connect with our family and friends virtually. And our teachers also introduced and provided us fun games in quizzes, Kahoot, etc. Our teachers let us understand concepts by presentations and videos. They presented their PPTs in PowerPoint. We also used websites like Canva and Pixel Art. Canva helped us to make posters, presentations, etc. I think connecting with technology is great. Thank you.
very good, Adya. Mayank.
Yes, ma'am.
When someone is saying something, you have to be on mute, right? Why did you interrupt in between her speech?
By mistakenly.
It should not happen, बच्चा. कोई आपके स्पीच में भी बीच में इंटरप्ट करेगा तो हमें नहीं सुनाई देगा ना बच्चा. ओके, आप ऐसे कोई भी बीच में अनम्यूट नहीं हो जाओ. आप देखो मेरा आइकन मैं खुद म्यूट करके रखती हूँ ताकि आप लोग सब लोगों को वो बच्चा जो बोल रहा है उसका आवाज आए क्लियरली. ओके किड्स, यू ऑल आर माय गुड किड्स, राइट? वेरी गुड Adya. Adya, what you told your age? I'm sorry, I didn't note.
Sorry, ma'am. My age is 10, ma'am.
Okay, very good, very good. Ekta Khandelwal. Ekta Khandelwal. Are you there? Nidhi Sarawagi.
Yes, miss.
Yes.
Hello.
Kindly say your name first and your age.
Hello everyone. My name is Astik Saraudi and my age is 7 years. Today my topic is how our life has changed after Corona. We always have to wear a mask when we go out. We can't go to school because of Corona. And we do online class because of Corona. We can't go to the park without friends. We can't go to holidays. We can't go to the amusement park. Thank you.
Yes, very good, Astik. Very, very good. Very good. Vidhi Agarwal. Vidhi
Yes,
Agarwal. Yes.
ma'am. Hi everyone. I am Vidya Agarwal. I am 7 years old. Today I'm saying about I'm Vidya Agarwal from Goldcrest High. I will say I will say something about COVID-19. I cannot go to my school for studying. Many people are dying because of this virus. I cannot play with my friends. I cannot visit friends and relatives. In this virus, my home is for me, home sweet home. And I thank you. That is how COVID 19 has affected our life.
Very good. Very good. Ritu Verma. Ritu Verma.
Hello everyone, my name is Prakhar Singh. I am a 6-year-old boy. Today I'll tell you how did Corona change our life. We can't go to the park because Corona is going everywhere. Here, Corona is going to every single country. Corona is making people sick. My grandmother got sick. My friend got sick. My friend's father got sick. Corona is not letting us go shopping. Corona is sealing our home. We can't visit our friends. We can't go walking. We can't do cycling. We can't play in the park. We have to only tell our mother and father to play with us. We have to stay in home. We are been eating bats and corona. We have to be in home, so that's the safe way to go. So we have to wear masks when we go outside. We There's too much corona, so we are in home. We can't visit the shop. We can't go to different countries. We can't use a car drive. We can't get new toys. We can only order food from can only order food outside. We can't order toys now. I hope Corona goes away soon and everything becomes back to normal. And thank you.
वेरी गुड. वेरी वेरी गुड. बच्चा नाम क्या बताया आपने?
Prakhar Singh, 6-year-old boy.
Very, very good. You have narrated very good. See, you all should clap for yourself that you are just आपको 5-6 दिन पहले टॉपिक मिला and you are saying it to me in front of your all so many of your friends over here. Very, very good. I really appreciate. Suchita Behde. Suchita Behde.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse
Behde. Pranav, kindly be on mute. Suchita Behde. Okay. Saurabh 26 May. Saurabh 26 May. Are you there? Saurabh 26 May. Is my vocal correct? Are everyone able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Mayank Chandak. Mayank Chandak.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. My name is Mayank Chandak, and my age is 12 years old. 11 years old. Today, my topic is how the technical world after an year of pandemic. After in this pandemic, we we are not able to go out to play, and we are playing online games or seeing TV. The off we are not able to go to school, but we are doing online classes. We are not able to go to office, but we are doing online, means the office at home. Thank you.
Very good. Very, very good. Very, very good. Sushant Chandak. Sushant Chandak.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Laksh Chandak. My age is 7 years old. Today I will tell you a topic name. My topic is how Corona changed my life. We should always wear a mask when we go to out, and we should always sanitize hands in 2-3 hours. We should not uh, we should not go outside when important work is not there. Thank you.
Very good. Very good. Very, very good, Laksh. Yes. Bhagyashree Behani. Bhagyashree Behani. Yes. Will you please say about your topic, Bacha? Please say your name. Please say your name and age first. Please say. Wait, wait. Please say your name.
My name is Digant. I am 6 years. Due to Corona, we cannot go to school, cannot go to play, and we are tired staying at home. I cannot also meet friends. I am 5 years. In 1 month, I will become 6 years. Bhagwan, please help us.
What happened? Are you done?
Yes, I'm done, ma'am.
Okay. After saying, you have to always say thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. Sakshi Gupta. Sakshi Gupta.
Yes, ma'am, I'm there. My name is Ayansh Mittal, and I am 6.5. So, from in the whole world, there is virus. So no one can go out to play. Because of this virus, first I used to go to school, but everything is cancelled now because of the corona, online schools, online exams, and many more things online. So when there was no corona, me and my friends used to have fun when we went down. So whenever we used to go down, we played many more games, and when we and even used to meet my other friends. But now everything is cancelled. That's why nothing can happen. Thank you.
Very good. Very good, Ayansh. Very, very good. रुचि पलोड, रुचि पलोड.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Kanishka Palod. I am 9 years old. My topic is lockdown. I I am playing my friends, but lockdown I am not playing my friend, but I am home. I am very happy, but lockdown. 1 minute. And my school is my school is I am I am online classes my home, but my school is ma'am done.
Okay, after doing what you have to say, कनिष्का, कनिष्का जब
Ma'am,
हमारा हो जाता है तब हमें क्या बोलना है?
thank you.
Yes, very good, very good. नियाना तलरेजा, नियाना तलरेजा.
Yes,
Please
my
say
name
about your
is
topic.
Dawn and I am 7 years old. I am in grade 2. My topic is COVID COVID 19. There is lots of corona and there is also lockdown that we have to do in computer our lectures, but if we have to go out we have to only take a mask and hand sanitizer for safety. Thank you.
Okay, very good, very good. मृदु सिन्हा, मृदु सिन्हा.
Yes, ma'am.
Say about your topic, बच्चा.
My name is Mridosana. My age is 7 years old. My topic is about myself. My name is Mridosana. I study in Rainbow International School in grade 3G. My hobby is to paint, football, and
Mridu, wait. Your topic is not about yourself. Your topic is how COVID-19 Corona has changed your life. I have given the topic, bacha. You don't have to say about yourself. Your topic is how COVID-19 has changed your life. See kids, it is very simple to narrate. जो आप लोग देख रहे हो अपने जिंदगी में, आपके स्कूल्स ऑनलाइन हो गए हैं, आपको बाहर जाने नहीं मिल रहा है. पहले आप पार्क या गार्डन में जाते रहोगे, अभी आपको कहीं नहीं जाने मिल रहा है, घर पे ही इंडोर्स में इंडोर गेम खेलने मिल रहे हैं. कोई कोई सोसाइटीज में तो नीचे उतरने का परमिशन भी नहीं है. हाँ, then what is your screen time? How screen time has increased in your life? Then what are the advantages also of being at home? Since an year you are with your parents very closely attached. कभी ऐसा होता था स्कूल लाइफ में कि मम्मा भी घर में, पापा भी घर में, दादी दादा नाना नानी सब घर में नहीं होता था, राइट? सो जो आप ये 1 साल से देख रहे हो ना, उसका एक शॉर्ट नरेशन करना है आपको. ओके बच्चा मृदु, इफ यू आर नॉट रेडी नाउ, काइंडली अपना हैंड रेज ही रखो, मैं आपको दोबारा पूछूंगी. ओके
ओके.
यस. ओके, भरत खेमानी. भरत खेमानी.
मैम,
हाँ यस बच्चा बोल.
I'm Presha Khimari. I'm 5.5 years. Today I'm going to tell you about how COVID-19 affects our life. In world, people never thought a small virus will affect our life so much. In past 1 year, COVID-19 has changed our life completely. Since 2020, we are not going to school, malls, gardens for holidays. It is not easy to stay all the time indoors, but we miss offline schools, playing with our friends. It is but COVID-19 has taught us. But COVID-19 has taught us sanitization, importance of sanitization, hand washing, and family values. COVID-19 has given us ample time to explore new things. I learned new things. In last lockdown, I made world record. But this deadly virus has not gone yet. So please request you all to stay home, stay safe, pray to God for whole world. Thank you.
Very good bachcha, very good, excellent. Clap for yourself, clap for yourself. Very good. Yes, Archana Lunkar. Archana Lunkar. Pranav Jain, now say.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now say.
Good morning, friends. My name is Pranav. My age is 9 years old. Corona, COVID-19, how changed our life. We cannot go out play with friends, and we cannot go out with family. We get corona, then we cannot play with our family. You will go outside, put mask and take sanitizer. And 2-3 hours put sanitizer on hand. Thank you, friends.
Very good, very good. Yes, Renuka Malani.
Yes, ma'am. Hello everyone, my name is Rajir Malani. I'm 8 years old. My topic for today is COVID-19. In this pandemic, we all are at our home. I played many games with my family like hide and seek, catch, and more games. But I know that the financial position of every house has changed. So they cannot earn money. The shops are closed and they cannot go out. So I wish that I could meet I miss my school and my friends very much. I thank to God to keep my family and me safe. I wish that I could go to my school and meet my friends very soon. So friends, be safe and be at home. Thank you.
Very good. Very good, Rajveer. Rajveer, na, your name is?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Aryan Ankur Tripathi. I'm sorry. Avyan Ankur Tripathi.
My name is Gyan Tripathi. I am from 4G and my topic is how Corona has changed our life. So, Corona has changed our life completely. In this pandemic, we can't go out to play or school. We can't go to school. The schools are running virtual, and thanks to mobile phone, that mobile phones help us to talk with our siblings or uh, take take school classes, and we can't do other social activities like going restaurant to eat food and going theater to watch movies, and we have to wear masks and use sanitizer. Before that corona, we did, don't use this mask and sanitizer, and uh, we have to we have to we have I request you that don't go out if there is not necessary, and go out if you are wearing mask, and uh, and stay safe and stay at home. Thank you.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड अव्यान. ओके, चैट बॉक्स में ना कोई भी ऐसा मत लिखो मैम कैन आई से, मैम कैन आई से. सबका चांस आएगा. जिसने हैंड रेस का आइकन डाला है ना वो. ओके, हैंड रेस का आइकन डालो, उनका चांस जरूर आएगा. ओके, सो इट इज इजी फॉर मी ऑल्सो. प्लीज बी ऑन म्यूट बच्चा. यस, आई वांट अर्व यादव. अर्व यादव.
My name is Arf. Hello everyone. My name is Arf. I'm 5 years old and I live in Gorga. Today I'm going to talk about the month when the virus will go. And today is May. When the next month comes, it will be all things will be normal that we can hug everyone. Thank you.
Wow, great. Good. Good confidence you are having. We are also praying with you that in June month it should be all normal. Very good. Yes, Sejal Palan, Diana Palan.
Yes, ma'am. My Hello everyone. My name is Diana Palan. I am 7 years old. My topic is how the COVID changed our life. In COVID, we cannot play, not go to school, and not have fun with our friends. But when the COVID was not, we only did everything, but now we cannot do. But COVID has given good thing, because when we go out and play, we cannot think, but we can. Now we are spending time with our family. That is good. But when we will think positive, so then the wish will get full. Thank you.
Very good. Very good, Diana. Ira Cabra.
Yes, ma'am. Hello everyone. I'm Ira Kabra and my age is 11. Today my topic is the new technical world after lockdown. We all know because of pandemic many things have been changed in the world. In that all the things which were done physically are done online like shopping, education, meeting, etc. Firstly, I didn't know how to operate laptop, but now I know each and everything about laptop. Firstly, I opened laptop after 4 to 5 months, but now it is compulsory for me to open laptop every day because of online schools and classes. So like this is the technical world after lockdown. Thank you.
Very good. Very good, Ira. Yes. Vedanshi Mantri. Vedanshi Mantri.
Yes, ma'am. I am Vedanshi. My age is 9 years old. My topic is how COVID 19 changed our life. Uh, there is everywhere lockdown. We cannot go out and play. E- Many people are dying because of oxygens and injections. They are not getting oxygens on time and injections. We cannot go out. If it is necessary to go out, we need to wear masks. Please don't go out if it is not necessary. COVID 19 has changed our life because our schools have been closed. We need to do online classes, online exams, all things. Before COVID 19, we play outside with our friends, enjoy. And COVID 19 has changed our lives since this lockdown is there. Uh, but this thing is good of COVID 19. We can spend our time with our families. Thank you.
Very good. Very good. Yes, Mridu Sinha, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
My name is Mridu Sinha. I am 7 years old. My topic is COVID 19. Due to COVID 19, I am not able to go out and play with my friends. Also not able to go to school. I am missing my school and my friends. With online classes, I meet my school friends and teachers. I am spending more time with parents. My father taught me play to play football. Also teaching yoga. I am enjoying home. Be safe, wear mask and wash your hand regularly. Thank you.
Very good. Very good. Yes. Ekta Khandelwal. Ekta Khandelwal, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Please
Hello.
say.
Hello, my name is Augusta Khandelwal. My age is 7 and my topic is COVID-19. COVID-19 started in in 2020. Uh, it's it started spreading. First 2020 first people didn't care. And when it became 2022, 2021, then we had to take a lot of precautions. Uh, and how to stay safe, wash your hands,
If you're out for a long time, take a bath. Take a bath before you come in. Don't don't go outside. Don't attend marriages. Don't go to holidays. Thank you.
That's it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Suchita Behde?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Adya Malani. I am 8 years old. Today I am going to tell you about effects of COVID-19. COVID-19 has some good effects and some bad effects. First I will tell you good effects. Like we all family members spend time with each other. We play lot of games. We made and eat different dishes together. In COVID-19, government declared the lockdown so there are less vehicles on roads so that voice and air pollution decrease, we get fresh air. In that pandemic, we learn different types of instruction system, that is online teaching, and some side effects like we can't go in school garden, we can't meet our friends and relatives, we can't play outside. Some people lost their relatives. Financial problems. People use lots of gadgets. It is harmful for their eyes and health. In that COVID-19, bad effects are more than their good effects. Because of that, the period is little bit harmful. Thank you.
Very good, very good. Ashita Mohta?
I'm Ashita Mohta. I'm 7 years old. My topic is how coronavirus COVID-19 has changed my life. COVID-19 has changed my life by keeping me in house, and I used to go in the park also, but now I have to be in house. I also miss my school and my teachers. I have to do live classes nowadays. I wish that this COVID 19 should go away. I miss everything. My school also, but the fun thing is I can stay and play with my mom and dad. I learned cycling, that is the best part. Coronavirus go fast. I want to go to school, and also I want to play with my friends. Thank you.
Very good, all of you, very good. So, now who else is remaining to say? Is someone remaining? Sneha Kothari.
No, ma'am.
Sneha Kothari.
Harman.
Ridhan Rathi.
Yeah, just a second, just a second. Sneha Kothari.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please say.
Yeah.
So, how my
My name is Ridhan Rathi.
my name is Rejan Rathi. My age is 7 years old. How my life has changed because of Corona. I learned about two terms: lockdown, sanitization. at all the time. I cannot go out. I play with my. I cannot play with my friends in the park and cannot go to school now. Nowadays, I I regularly wash my hands. I learned about how to wear masks when I go out. I do online classes these days. I wish Corona goes fast. Thank you.
Very good, Ridan. Okay, Prisha, Nyati, and Aryaman. One by one.
Hello everyone, my name is Prisha Nyati and I am 5 years old.
What is your topic? My topic.
My topic is how Corona changed our life. And my dad is women.
No, what? Before Corona.
Before Corona.
I used to go to school now. Tell Ishu.
And go.
I used to go to school.
I used to go to school.
Now I miss going to school.
I miss going to school.
I take online classes.
I take online class.
I miss going to
my friends' birthday party.
I miss playing with friends.
I miss playing with friends and miss going to swim with dad Dad.
I miss traveling.
I miss traveling aeroplane.
In or train.
Aeroplane and train.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Very good. Yes. Harman Kumar Agarwal. Harman Kumar Agarwal.
Teacher Aryaman Toshnewala.
Okay. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Yes, Aryaman, please continue. I'm so sorry.
My name is Aryaman. My name is Aryaman Toshniwal.
I am 5 years old.
I am 5 years old. Old.
No. Bolo. I am 5 years old. My topic is.
5
years old.
My topic is.
5.
My topic is.
My topic is
How Corona changed our life.
how Corona changed
Our life.
our life.
Our life.
Our life.
बोलो क्या हुआ कोरोना में
Corona.
Now I wear mask wherever I go.
Now wear a mask.
Wear the mask wherever I go.
Where I go.
I miss playing with my friends.
I may
Going to my friends.
going to my friends. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Very good.
Thank
Very
you.
good. Very good. Very good. Absolutely good. My 5-year-old kids are very good, and 5 and 6-year-old kids are very good. Really very good. Harman Kumar Agarwal, in the name of Priyanka Agarwal, kindly unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am, and my dear friends. Today I'm Herman. I'm 7 years old. Today I'm going to tell about how Corona has changed. Corona is a deadly virus. It it has it has changed our life. Now we have to wear masks, use sanitizer, and change our clothes after coming from outside. Previously, we can play, handshake, and give high five to our friends, but now we can't. Now everything is online class, and we have to buy everything in online. Everything is online. We can't go to the shops or malls and to purchase vegetables and groceries. So Corona should go away. Thank you.
Very good. Very, very good. Very good. ओके, संगीता उत्तमानी के नाम से कौन है?
मैम मैं प्रेषा हूँ। मैंने पहले मेरे पापा के उससे ज्वाइन किया
ओके
था।
ओके 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 सो स्वाति, स्वाति, आर यू हियर? स्वाति, स्वाति, आदि सुधीर, आर यू हियर? Okay, you both are not here. Okay.
मैम
So, yes,
इज द क्लास ओवर?
no बच्चा, no, 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 wait. So अभी यहाँ पे जितने लोग हैं सबको चांस मिला, सबने बोला
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Very
यस
good.
मैम।
Bhavya Birla, what happened? किसी
यस
ने
यस 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 मैम। यस मैम।
Bhavya Birla, what happened? You have raised hand.
यस मैम।
No, ma'am, I haven't raised my hand.
Okay, okay. Yes, very good. So you know all,
Yes,
why did I choose only this topic for you all kids? That for small kids I have chosen how Corona COVID-19 has changed your life. And for my big kids, the new technical world after a year of pandemic. See, Corona has changed each and everyone's life. Each and everyone's life, I can say. Even my life has changed after Corona. We have to go digital, right? First thing, we have to go digital. We are not going to our offices. We are doing work from home. And for you kids also, you have to sit for your online classes, for your online schools. Everything is indoor. Everything is indoor. You can't go down to play in your society premises, in your compound of the building, right? Day by day, the cases are increasing. So, health wave, it is a wave of danger. And the earlier wave was also of danger, but it was not impacting kids. But this wave, why it is too much dangerous for you kids? Because it has a huge impact on you kids. Okay, so it is very important to stay healthy. To stay healthy, I mean by you have to have good proportion of healthy food. You have to drink water regularly at short intervals of time. You have to stay hydrated by drinking lots of water. Drink milk. Include banana in your daily diet. Include banana in your daily diet. Okay? If possible, include pomegranate and mangoes in your daily diet. See, there are several things which are seasonal about our diet. We get mangoes seasonally. We get grapes seasonally. Okay, so when it comes to seasonal fruits and seasonal vegetables, it is having a lot of value in our diet. It is adding a lot of value in our diet. So, you kids are small, your immunity is this much only now. You have to boost your immunity from year to year to live, to stay a very healthy life. Right, kids? Right, kids? You might all be seeing in your house also live cases are there. दादा दादी को हुआ है कोरोना, चाचा चाची को या मम्मी पापा को या आपको खुद को भी, right? So you have to overcome that and you have to stay healthy. One more thing to include in your diet, your Ayurvedic kada. You have to drink your Ayurvedic kada, which is having Ayurvedic items in it. Okay, so that just only half a cup of kada is also sufficient for you kids, because this will boost your immunity. Because आप लोग छोटे हो, आप लोगों का लाइफ स्पैन जैसे जैसे बढ़ेगा वैसे वैसे इम्यूनिटी लेवल बढ़ता है एक नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग में. ओके, सो आप लोगों का वो इम्यूनिटी लेवल अभी बढ़ा हुआ रहना चाहिए. फॉर दैट थिंग यू हैव टू टेक अ लॉट ऑफ प्रिकॉशंस. Okay, a lot of prevention so that आपको ये बीमारी नहीं हो, right? आपको ये बीमारी नहीं हो. So COVID-19 has hell lot of change our life. We have to go digital. This pandemic has taught us that you have to sit at home and you have to create your own games and you have to play, right? Yes, you. It's very good part of this pandemic. You are at home. You are interacting more with your parents. The bonding with your parents is increasing day by day, which at your age it has become a necessity, because we see in these days mom is also working, dad is also working. So this is the best part. As you kids are growing with them, you kids are interacting more with them. This is the best part. You get to play with your mom and dad. You get to play with your siblings. You get to play with your cousins, right? Yes, you can't travel. This is the saddest part. But don't worry, kids. Soon and slowly, all the things are getting resolved. अभी vaccination आ गया है. The Our parents, our grandparents, they are getting vaccinated. Soon, for the age about 12 also, the vaccines are going to be introduced. So, my request to all, vaccinations are in process. You have to stay at home and vaccination आ गया. Then too, you have to stay with your mask. कोई भी अपने घर में बाहर वाला आता है, भले ही वो हमारा रिलेटिव क्यों ना हो, try to stay in mask. It is going to protect you kids only. Try to stay in mask. Mask लगाना मुझे पता है, मुझे भी at times it is irritating, but it is for our safety that we have to be with mask. हमें आगे की लाइफ जीनी है, right? हमें आगे की लाइफ अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ, अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के साथ जीनी है. तो हमें अभी बहुत ज्यादा प्रिकॉशंस लेना है. सब कुछ हमारा मोबाइल पे, टैब्स पे, लैपटॉप्स पे, कंप्यूटर पे या टीवी पे हो गया है. सो मेरा ये सेशन भी 1 hour के अबाउ रहता है. आई रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल किड्स टू constrain your screen time to just 2 hours a day, not more than that. Otherwise, you will start spoiling your eyes, right? And break your screen time and see TV. एक साथ कंटिन्यूस 2-2.5 घंटे मत बैठो. ब्रेक इट एंड सी टीवी. यू शुड प्ले बोर्ड गेम्स. दैट विल increase your vocabulary also, increase your mind values also. Okay, kids, it is very much essential. Hence, I kept this topic in between. Now, I wanted you all to speak. Why? Because I know this pandemic, you are not allowed to interact with your friends. You're not going in the park. You're not going in the game zone. You're not seeing anyone. You're not able to speak more, right? So, in this way, I took the topic of vocals so that you all can interact and you all can even listen to what the other kid is saying. Okay? Very good. You all kids have done very well. Very, very well. I appreciate you all. A big clap for you all. A big clap for you all. Very good. Yes, anyone is having any doubt? No?
ma'am.
Very good. Yes, Kanishka Palod, are you having any doubt, bacha? No?
Ma'am.
Okay, very good. We end our session for the day. I request you all now immediately don't sit in front of the TV. Give rest to your eyes, okay? Give rest to your eyes. Okay, bye for now. Bye, kids.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye.
bye.
Bye, miss.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.